Virtual team building. Building bridges in the digital age. Hello, dear learners. Today, we will delve into a crucial aspect of global business culture: virtual team building. As technology propels us forward, more and more teams are working across continents, time zones, and cultures. Let's explore the significance of virtual team building and its best practices. Virtual team building involves the initiation and management of teams that operate remotely. They might be located in different parts of the world or just prefer working from their own spaces. The goal is to foster a sense of unity and collaboration among these remote team members, ensuring they feel connected even when they aren't physically together. In a digital world, teams that feel connected tend to collaborate better. They share ideas freely and solve problems collectively. Stay motivated. Feeling part of a community helps in keeping the enthusiasm alive. Increase productivity. When teams understand and trust one another, they tend to work more efficiently. While there are numerous benefits, managing virtual teams isn't without its hurdles. Time zone differences. Synchronizing team meetings can be a juggle. Cultural differences. Misunderstandings can arise from differing cultural norms. Lack of face-to-face interactions can sometimes lead to miscommunications. 1. Regular check-ins. Initiate daily or weekly team check-ins to keep everyone aligned. 2. Use the right tools. Invest in good communication and collaboration platforms like video conferencing tools, shared documents, etc. 3. Cultural awareness. Be sensitive to cultural holidays, work habits, and communication styles. 4. Organize virtual team activities. Games, quizzes, or even just casual chats can help in bonding. 5. Clear communication. Ensure everyone is on the same page by setting clear expectations and objectives. Communication is the backbone of virtual teams. Being able to articulate thoughts clearly in English, given it's often the common language in global teams, is vital. Regular language training sessions can help in breaking down the language barriers and enhancing team collaboration. Thank you for joining us in understanding the world of virtual team building. As the world moves further into the digital age, mastering the art of nurturing virtual teams will become increasingly essential. Remember, it's all about building bridges, whether digital or tangible. We hope this video proves beneficial in your journey towards understanding global business culture. Until next time, happy learning!